Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Speed and red light camera ahead. Speed limit is 70 miles per hour. Mobile speed camera zone.
the cities, where you spend a great amount of your time on the road, you experience a lot of traffic on a daily basis, always with someone calling or texting while you drive. To avoid the inevitable consequences of irresponsible drivers and the unnecessary arguments at the courthouse, to document a truthful record of accidents, you need a device that can keep track of what happens on the road, that you can always rely on. We believe in a product that can secure and enhance your driving experience with an intuitive and powerful camera device. Built for high performance and reliability, introducing the third generation Rexing V1 Dash Cam with an optional premium upgrade. The Core Ultra HD camera, with a wide field of view, the best of its kind, enables maximum picture resolution and clarity. With its wide dynamic range technology and advanced image sensor, the V1 automatically adapts to any light condition. We enhanced the way dash cams record. Loop recording will automatically overwrite the oldest files, allowing you to keep recording with no interruptions. The G sensor smartly identifies collisions of the vehicle, enables auto lock of the current video, ensuring your most important footage is kept protected. We also simplified the way dash cams communicate and transfer data with the third generation Rexing V1's colorful LED display, GPS capability, and Wi-Fi video transfer features. Built for high durability, the Rexing V1 allows continuing high performance in an extreme temperature environment. Discreet design of the lightweight body with its black finish and low-profile form, Rexing V1 can be easily disguised behind the window shield, documenting your road trips and securing your daily drives with its undemanding characteristics. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability. The Rexing Dash Cam, your roadside witness.